What's going on YouTube? 603 Mechanic Vids back with another how-to video. This is for my Jeep Renegade owners today. We're going to be doing a how-to on how to change your dome light bulbs. So this whole assembly is just held in with clips. You got two here and two on the side. What you're going to need to do is just get anything that can fit up in here. I'm going to use a Circle K card so you can get your fingers up in there. You can just pull down. Just try to take it as easy as you can. Here's a quick visual of where the clips go in. So here's the whole unit. And to get to the bulbs, you have these two tabs here. Just push one in, push the other in, and this will pop right out. And you got one bulb here, and your second one's there. All you do, just grab it, and it'll pull right out. And just grab your new one, push it right back in. These two little tabs go in right here. Just make sure you got it going the right way. Push it down, make sure these two tabs are pushed back in. And that's about it for changing the bulbs. And then we'll reinstall this piece, and that'll complete this little job. You're gonna grab your unit, make sure you plug your wire back in. Put these two tabs right up in them holes right there. And push on the sides, push in the front, and that's it. Go ahead and make sure both lights work. And that completes this job. If this helped any of you guys out, if you don't mind giving the video a like, if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. And if you're not subscribed, consider subscribing to my channel. It helps me out, and I appreciate every single one of you. Have a good day.